The Motorola Edge 2026 would be an Edge model without a curved display. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this device is going to be different from previous Edge models. It has been confirmed that the Edge 2026 would not have a curved display. Instead, it's going to feature a flatter display with very thin and uniform bezels. Also, the back of the phone is changing as well. Rather than the vegan leather finish found on some recent Edge devices, the new model is rumored to feature a woven fabric-like texture. Some renders also were leaked showing the color options of this device, including champagne gold and olive green. The camera system of the device would also be upgraded. According to the details, the Motorola Edge 2026 would feature a 50MP Sony Lichia main sensor, followed by a 12mm ultra wide angle lens and a 73mm telephoto lens with up to 3 times optical zoom. Now, new leaks suggest that the Edge 2026 would inherit most of the Edge 70 Fusion's specifications, so buyers could be getting an incredibly well-rounded package. The standard feature here would be the massive 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery. The phone will also support 68 watts turbo power charging, which of course would be able to easily and rapidly top up the device when needed. The Edge 2026 would also be a very durable device. According to the details, the device would be rated IP68 and IP69, meaning it's going to be waterproof, dustproof, and of course resistant to high pressure water jets. And also the phone would be military grade standard A10H certified. This is a certification that is common on rugged devices, which means that the Motorola Edge 2026 would be extremely tough and would be able to survive some, let's just say, harsh conditions. Now, if Motorola sticks closely to the Edge 70 Fusion blueprint, users can expect a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate and brightness that goes up to 5200 nits, which means using the device outdoors would not be a problem. The device is also expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 or possibly the newer 7S Gen 4, depending on the region. Now, of course, all these are just based on leaks and rumors. Please do not take them seriously. Take them with a pinch of salt. And you also need to know that the international Edge 70 Fusion uses a dual camera setup, while the leaked Edge 2026 renders points towards a triple camera system with a dedicated telephoto lens. So as you can see, the rumors may not be entirely correct, but these are just the details that I have for you guys. If I could get more details about the Edge 2026, I will definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. That's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.